Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Westchester, local and long-distance movers near me. We can provide both interstate and interstate moving services because of the fabulous relationship we have with the authorities in charge of the relocation process. Other than this advantage, we also have insurance policies that protect our clients during and after the move. Our clients' safety and that of their belongings are a primary concern to us. With us handling your property, you can rest assured of a stress-free moving experience. Our Westchester movers are disciplined and highly trained, and they ensure that they keep the customers at ease at all times. All of our customers are satisfied with our services. If you need proof, you only need to ask for reviews for them. We can assure you that these reviews will be satisfactory. Our local rates are affordable as we charge about $30 to $40 every hour. With our dedicated and responsible movers, you will have a fantastic experience during our business relocations. If you need something other than the name services, continue to read on for some of our other services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.